guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a challenge where I mix every single highlighter that I own together. So if you want to see how this turns out, then just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you never miss a future upload. First palette I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm just going to be scraping off a little from each shade into an empty compact. Then I'm adding in the highlight from the Beach Goddess Illuminate by Ashley palette. Then the next palette I'm using is the ColourPop Give Me More. And then I'm using my Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and the ColourPop palette that I used previously to this one could definitely be a dupe for this. And the next palette I'm using is the Carly Babel and BH Cosmetics Deluxe Edition. Then for the next highlighting palette I'm using is the NYX I Love You So Mochi, and this is definitely one of my favorites just because of the formula. I like how it feels like a putty texture instead of just a powder. And the next highlighter I'm using is Uranus from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And for the next three highlighters I'm using, these are all from Wet n Wild, and I got this back in the Unicorn Glow collection. I also decided to add in my Milk Makeup Glitter Stick just because I use this like a highlighter as well. And then I'm using my Color Effects Halo Drops. Then I'm just going in with a flat tool to press all of the product, and then I'm using my Moon Magic. And then I just let that sit overnight, and then when I came back to it in the morning, I just pressed it one more time, and then it was ready to use. And now I'm just doing a swatch on my arm just so you can see the color better, and it ended up coming out more icy white, which is the highlighter that I tend to go for, so I really liked it. Now I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow.